check out the sun, guys. Holy camole, I got 2 bars. What the hell? Wow, guys, check out the view. We're over here at our favorite spot. What's up, guys? Go outside. Come on, guys, go outside. Got the kiddos over here. We brought them out to do some exercising, guys. Is that the right word? Exercising.
Daddy,
to exercise.
you could bring your scooter right over here.
Oh yeah, you're right. The scooter action time. That's right. Well, we got the electric skateboard. We got the bike in the back. And we actually all just woke up from a good afternoon nap. Yeah, it was my day off today, right, Eliza? Yeah, it was my day off today. Jess is on furlough, of course. And right now we're just gonna enjoy. I'm gonna switch over to the cell phone right now. So let's go, guys. Check it out. There's a whole bunch of people exercising. We are actually lucky over here, not like in other parts of the world where you can't even get out to exercise. So we're kind of lucky over here, guys. Check it out. Liza, go. What's going on? Liza's a little grumpy because we interrupted her nap. Look at that. Grumpy girl. Alright. Hi, Liza. Alright, Ethan. Good job. Whole bunch of people fishing over there too again. Oh, okay, somebody throwing net over there, Jess. Mr. Romeo. What's that, Jess? Huh? That's not a pig.
It's a pig!
Huh?
Yeah, the tail. You never seen the tail? Where'd that go? Oh,
What?
pig. What happened?
That's a pig?
It's a pig.
Oi. Oh. That's not a pig. Huh?
Just shoot, I think. Yeah.
Oh.
It's a wahin. Oh, they have a pig.
Huh?
Maybe shoot it. See, because the bullets right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah? Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, stinky. Yucky. Too bad. What happened? Huh? You're done? What happened? Huh?
I can't sit down.
Oh, okay.
No,
Let me
that's
try.
too high. You're gonna ride back.
Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh. What is this?
Bye-bye.
Huh? Hey, watch out, Romeo. Don't, Romeo. Alright guys, so that was a good exercise. Biked from started off from what happened? What happened?
Dancing.
Huh?
Dancing.
Oh yeah. Alright, so like I was saying, I started off from the Kapaa swimming pool and biked over here to ABC store. So, was Auntie there? No?
No.
Oh, sheesh. They never give you a discount?
No.
How much was it?
14.
$14 for a cigar, but you know what, guys?
Huh?
In these rough times,
No, more nothing.
it's worth it, guys. It's worth it.
We're gonna go Foodland.
We're gonna go food land, guys.
How much she knows?
Oh, yeah? Wow, guys. Check it out, guys. Check out the sky, guys.
Daddy.
Wow. Beautiful palm trees in the distance, guys. Yes, Romeo? What's up? I see you. I see you, Romeo. What's up, guys? So now we are in front of Foodland. Right over here, guys. Picking up some food, basically. That's why they call it Foodland, right, guys? And most importantly, my whiskey, guys, or our whiskey. Well, actually, me and your mom's whiskey. And then we're heading over to the good old McDonald's there in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it all, too. But wow, check out the sky, guys. Look at that. I might do a time lapse right now while we're waiting. Right, guys? What do you guys think? But there's nothing moving around, though. Not too many things moving around. Romeo, do you see any birds up there or what? Maybe some chickens?
No.
Huh?
They're all hiding.
They're all
I see
hiding?
one.
You see one chicken over there, Romeo?
They're flying.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, they're hiding now.